Hey guys, if you ask me about the easiest digital product you can create and sell like professional, hands down, I would tell you flashcards. For example, if you never to etsy.com and type flashcards, here you can find huge amounts of the sellers who are doing well selling these amazing digital products. These printable flashcards, as you see, around different topics, around different niches, and so on for kids. And so why people remain love this flashcards? Because it's an entertaining way to teach your kids and develop their intellectual and memory abilities. So these flashcards show something like things like animals, planets, and so on, as you see. And for sure, all of these sellers selling too much of these products, as you observe on Etsy.com, one of the biggest marketplace for selling digital items, for sure, including flashcards. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can utilize the AI power to create these flashcards just in few seconds, and how we can sell them to make money online, even if you don't have any experience. So now you can stick with me in this video step by step. And first of all, just head over to this amazing website that says clarifyai.art. Here, this awesome website completely for free. So here, regarding creating your flashcards, here you can head over to this one, other AI tools. Then you can find this amazing one, AI flashcard maker. Click over it. Then it would guide you how you can create these flashcards just in few seconds, and it gives you done for you templates like for animals, food, fruit, vegetables, universe, math, and so on. And for sure, all of these templates are editable for your own purpose or for your own topic. If you want to get more ideas to create your own flashcards, for sure you've got to go etsy.com and look around what niches people are creating these flashcards and what the best sellers of these flashcards. And even better, you can go to ChatGPT, then ask to give ideas of content to create your flashcards for kids. And for sure, ChatGPT spits out different amazing ideas like colors, shapes, animals, habitats, emotions, as you see, like for happy, sad, and so on, clocks, coins, and so on and so forth. So all these topics are on the same page of learning materials for kids. Anyway, you can go back to clarify.art. Then you can select one of these templates, like I can take animal, for example. Just it could be like this one, amazing and easy and clean flashcards, as you see. These amazing vectors and or cartoon illustrations with this amazing word. So here you can edit your content of these cards as you like. Then you can export and download this image. It could be printable in your digital item completely for free. So for example, here you can go to this the card number 1 that contains these features like fill white and stroke like orange. Here you can image, you can change image as you want from your own device. You can here get yours and just fill all these cards as you want. So simply and quickly, how we can get and create these images. For example, I can create something like animals, and for sure different versions. So I can go to this amazing website that is recraft.ai. It's an awesome website and the best AI image generators out there to create your own images for free. So here you can create a new project, then click over this one, this plus icon. Then you will be taken to this page. Then do you want to create today? I can select some graphic illustration. Then here you can go to this child book style library, click over it. Then you can find tons of these styles. Regarding creating your flashcard and cartoon style, I can go to this one, like for soft abstract or something, or cartoon. Apply. Okay, then insert here your prompt as you want. It could be simple, it's more than enough. So like for example, I can create a happy cat, for example, and here you can select your model. It could be a Recraft V3 and C Dream, Nano Plan, and so on. And just I can keep the default option, that is Recraft V3. Okay, and go enter, and just in few seconds here it gives you this amazing result here, as you see. Amazing. And here for sure you can find up there different options to edit this image, including this one, remove background. Click over it. Then you can find this white background will be removed to give you a transparent PNG image suitable for insert in your flashcard. That is, then click over this image and export as, select PNG to keep this transparent background. Then you can go to your verify AI.art, change image. So just keep it in this rectangle and apply, and that's it. And of course you can change the text as well. You can make it happy cat size, you can make it bigger, smaller, and change the stroke as you want. And for sure you can change the color of this word as you want, to make it black or red as you want, as you see. So you can do the same and repeat the same process for every single card as you want. And of course you can actually depend on different amazing AI image generators as you want. And regarding the removal of background, you can use this amazing website that is remove.ai. It's a completely for free amazing tool to remove your background just in few seconds. Or you can go to this amazing website vhere.com, and then you go to this one, image tools, select this one, background remover. Then you can try background remover. For sure it's completely for free. Then upload your image here and remove your background just in 5 seconds. So anyway, you can get this idea how you can create these icons or these graphics of your flashcard content. So now it's time to actually download all these images, your flashcard, okay, download here to your device in PNG format. So of course you can actually upload this image in a document or a Word file prior to convert it to PDF file. Okay, because you can sell this digital item as printable digital item. So the customer would just, you can cut all these cards out as he wants. Then it's time now to how we can promote this digital product. Here you can find two different ways. Either you can depend on the marketplaces that get huge traffic, like for example Etsy.com. For sure, if you have the ability to sign up on Etsy.com and launch your product here, it's an awesome option for you. And for sure you can depend on your own self-promotion on different websites, platforms as you want. Or you can endeavor to, for sure, like a creativefabrica.com. Here you can just set up your own store to sell your digital product or your flashcard completely for free and get your commission like a boss. But first of all, just you can here add some improvements or some samples like a portfolio that you can set on dripple.com or anything else to show some examples of these flashcards or samples of any digital product you want to sell in this store, okay, to be approved on creativefabrica.com. Or you can actually go to this amazing website, payteachers.com. For sure it's an awesome website. Here you can find huge amounts of these materials for teachers, for kids as you want. Here you can sign up for free and just upload your own digital item. And of course you can actually provide the service to and this gag on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and so on to create flash cards as you see, for kids, for teachers, and for adults as you want. And for sure you can actually upload these digital items and sell them on gumroad.com. Here it's a marketplace, and even you can actually take as a website to post your digital product. And then you've got to promote your own digital product on different websites like YouTube, like on medium.com and Instagram pages as you want. Like for example, you can create your own Instagram page regarding the kids activities and kids material, kids teaching materials, and so on. So your audience, it could be the parents, teachers, schools. Then you can actually promote your digital items in the link in the bio. And of course, you can depend on different amazing LinkedIn bio builders. For example, like direct.me, Linktree, Beacons.ai, and so on. For sure, just leave down below in the description box in the first comment the huge list of the best free LinkedIn bio builders that you can check out for free. Then you can actually sell your digital items, that is flashcards like a boss. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.